All right.
Hi, I'm Terry Pronko. I am the Director of Human Resources for Maya Design.
Hi, Terry. Tell us a little bit about Maya and what goes on here day to day.
So Maya Design is a product design firm. We design all kind of high-tech products in a lot of different markets. We don't actually have a niche market. And our sweet spot is designing at the intersection of humans and technology. So how a human interacts with any piece of technology, be it software, be it your washer and dryer, be it a kiosk at the mall that you walk up to, that sort of thing. So that's kind of our sweet spot. We do a lot of expert user analysis and that sort of thing, and user testing. We're kind of in a very interesting spot.
Yeah, so someone who maybe doesn't have a really good background, what types of clients do you work with, and what is it like to work here?
Okay, so our clients are all over the place. We work with healthcare clients. We work with financial services clients. We work with home appliance clients. We work with some people who do some home security stuff. We work with garage door people. So we don't really have, like I said, a niche market. We are pretty much all over the place. Anybody who's got a technologically advanced product is somebody that we're going to work with.
And how long have you guys been in Pittsburgh, and why Pittsburgh?
Why Pittsburgh? Because our original three owners were all from CMU. So we are a CMU spinoff, but back in 1989. So we've been around for over 20 years. And we've always been on the south side. We are now in South Side Works, but we've always been on the south side. We were in another building a few blocks down and have been in South Side the whole 20-some years that we've been around.
Okay, what type of, so if you are a technology professional looking to work at Maya, I know you guys post a lot of your jobs with us, the Tech Council, on our Career Connector website, and what types of people do you primarily look for as far as technology disciplines?
Yes. So we have 3 discipline categories. We use software engineers, so we're looking for computer science people, computer engineering people, that sort of thing. Both entry level and mid to senior people. We use what we call human scientists. Those are the usability experts and the people who do the analysis on the products and that sort of thing. Those kind of people come from places like CMU's Human Computer Interaction program, or University of Illinois, Champaign-Urbana, I think is, never get those in the right order, but they also have an HCI program. So that's where those kind of people come from. Cognitive psychologists, anthropologists, social scientists are in that group. And then we have visual designers, which include industrial designers, graphic designers, people with fine arts degrees, a really good sensibility. So those 3 groups are the 3 that we recruit for Maya Design.
What's the culture like here at Maya? What's it like to work here every day?
It's a really great place to work. They take really good care of us, but we work really hard too. So I always caution people when we bring them in for an interview. You might come in the summer and see us in shorts and flip-flops. A lot of times you'll come in the winter and you'll see people, with their big old galoshes on and stuff and a pair of jeans. But we dress to the client. Most of the clients are okay with us being casual. So it's a pretty casual environment, and we don't have cubicles. We have a very open work floor plan, I guess is a better way to say it. And it makes it more collaborative so that people from the 3 different disciplines can collaborate, because we don't have a place in our office where all the engineers sit, or all the human scientists, or all the visual designers. Everybody's all mixed together. So but it gets very intense here. The people here are very, very good at what they do. So there tend to be design debates. Arguments, not the right word, but debates when they're working on a project. It's very intense, and by the end of the week on Friday, you're tired, which is why we all get 4 weeks vacation a year, because we feel we don't want people to burn out here in the office. So that's one of the perks that we have here, is starting right out, you get 4 weeks vacation a year. So
that's pretty nice. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
What if you had a job seeker sitting across from you?
Mm-hmm.
What type of advice would you give them in this market? Where should they be looking for jobs? What should they be doing to maybe set themselves apart? What type of advice do you give job seekers?
I tell people cover letter is huge, because if 25 of you are coming out of the same program at Carnegie Mellon or Pitt or Carlow or any college, and you just send me a resume, you all look the same on paper. I mean, the resume, the font might be a little bit different or something, but the cover letter gives you a chance to tell me why you and why not somebody else from your program. It also gives you a chance to tell me other things about you. So if you're just starting out in graphic design, for instance, you might want to tell me that you did posters at your church, or you did something that's not on your resume because it wasn't for a class. So the cover letter is a big deal, but a typo in a cover letter kills you. And make sure you do some homework. Find out who you're sending the letter to and that sort of thing. And respond to my ad. Maya tends to place kind of quirky little ads that have little fun things in them. People who respond to those little fun things are very interesting to us because they actually paid attention to the ad.
Good. And if someone wants to work for Maya, where is the best way to go? To your corporate website to apply, to the Tech Council, the Monster? Where's the best way to find out?
Either our website, which is maya.com, or the Tech Council. We post everything at the Tech Council. And we get a lot of good hits from the Tech Council, especially from outside the area, so that's really good. Because people know they're applying for a job in Pittsburgh. I don't have to explain to them, okay, you understand you got to move to Pittsburgh for this job? So when they go to the Tech Council, they know it's a Pittsburgh job. So we get a lot of good hits from the Tech Council, especially from outside the area. But we also get a lot of really good hits from referrals. So if you know somebody at Maya, that's a good way in too.
Good. All right. Terry, thank you very much for taking time to talk with us today.
You're welcome, Justin.
All right.